Welcome friends, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn about how to create a pop-up form inside Groovepages. If you are new to my channel, if your interest is digital marketing, affiliate marketing, how to grow your business online, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for future update. Okay friends, we are onto my computer screen now. Here I have created a pop-up form. I have created this page. When someone going to can exit this page, a pop-up form will appear same like this. Let me show you. Let's suppose someone lands on this page. He gone through the page and trying to exit the page. This kind of pop-up will appear to them. Let me show you how we can create this kind of pop-up form inside Groovepages. Okay guys, we are into my Groovepages dashboard. Here I will show you how to create a pop-up form just like I did. In last video I showed you how to create a form from scratch, but in this video I will show you one simple trick so you can get email address also inside your email autoresponder directly, and you don't have to create any form from here, but you have to create a form inside your email autoresponder. Let me show you how it works. I am using send in blue email autoresponder. There I have created a form instead of here. Let me show you how it works. Inside any email autoresponder, go to your form section in your email autoresponder, click on create a new subscription form, give your form name. Let's give a name from test. Here enable GDPR field. I always enable this. Then click on next. Then here in my send into account we are redirect to the design section. Here we can edit any kind of uh, design we want in our landing page or any opt-in page. Just I created on my landing page. Copy this text, paste here. Let's make it in the center, increase the text. Now here we have to add first name tab placeholder also. So go to attributes, uh, below the field select the attributes. Here instead of SMS we have to select a first name, single line, label name. Yes, we need placeholder, we need label name, we don't need, sorry. Help text we don't need. Required field, yes, this is the required field. Just I show you in last video that we must tick this required field, so anyone without entering their name they don't move ahead in the procedure. Here also we don't need label name. Help text we also don't need, and it's required field by default. I don't need this kind of things, so I just use this. And instead of subscribe I have write down get free access now. Write down here get free access now. Now make it in the center, change the color as you want. Okay, increase the text size, and our form is ready, guys. Now we have to move to the next. Click on the next. Now here, after they submit their information, where we would like to send them after the submit the form. So let for this demo purpose I am selected default opt-in confirmation page. Now click on the next. You can select as per your wish, guys. Let me show you once again. After this step completes, let's return to that step. If you want single confirmation email, then you can select single confirmation email, that hey simple. Or no any confirmation email, directly you want to send them directly on any other URL, you can do also that. So you can customize form as per your need. Just for the demo purpose I select default template double opt-in, then I select next. This is default field, click on next. Now this is our HTML code. We have to put this HTML code inside our HTML code embedded button inside Groovepages. Here I have already put this element known as code embedded option. When you drag from there and drop it here, it will show embedded code option here. Then you have to put the code in the gear icon. Here you have to put the code and click on save. Okay, and our form is ready like this. Now for pop-up form, we already copy our embedded code. Go to the pop-up section, select the pop-up. Let's create from scratch. Give it a name pop-up 3. Type should be exit. Type should be exit. Where which page we need? We need on 30 days summit. Pop-up behavior show on every visit. Okay, now simple here it is, guys. Now click on this tab and go to our element section and select the code embedded option and drop it here. Just click on the gear icon and simply paste the code here. Simple it is, guys. So you can see how simple it is creating embedded code for your opt-in page as well as pop-up form. So anyone will land on your opt-in page, either they leave from here. We can again give them one option to enter their name and email. So guys, this is how we can create pop-up form inside Groovepages. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me, or you can comment below. So I will give your answer if you finding it difficult, or if you have any question.